I completely understand it when someone is facing uncharted territory. The uncertain times and the changes within the economy may warrant holding back when it comes to your expenses. However, penny wise, pound foolish lends food for thought. One of the wonderful things about digital advertising is that you can actually track your results. When properly monitored, you will see exactly what solutions drive results. This means taking a deeper dive into analytics and having the data available that will guide you toward decision making that will not cost you more in the long run. This takes time partnered with someone you trust who has your best interest at heart. Some of the recent cutbacks I've seen dealers make to save pennies will inevitably lose them valuable dollars in the end. Your best plan with regard to advertising in any climate is consistency. The changes we've needed to make haven't impacted consumer expectations, and customers will not tolerate mediocre experiences. If anything, they expect more in times of crisis. Enhancing their experiences at every touch point begins with how your inventory is merchandised online. Our Video Solutions Bundle supports all the benefits that video marketing has to offer and is packaged at one low price. Here's a breakdown of what you can expect. The Dealer Video Inventory app that allows you to shoot a professional VIN-specific 360-degree walk-around video of your cars in high def. Interior as well as exterior views with real human voiceover descriptions of your inventory. Video to picture technology that helps you to save time by extracting photos from your video within seconds. Higher quality score and lower cost per click. Customers spend more time viewing video because they prefer it, and it gets them more involved with your product, which reinforces customer confidence with a full and transparent experience that builds trust, resulting in more VDP views. With a touch of a button, syndication across all major third-party sites, your website, Facebook, and YouTube. We will manage and optimize your presence on YouTube with a library of inventory that includes robust content and added geographic reach. You'll see your SEO grow with boosted organic traffic, helping to rank you higher on major search engines like Google, Bing, and AutoTrader. We know that you'll want to see how frequent views will result in cars sold. So we provide you with 24/7 dashboard monthly reporting. Second, gain customer confidence with personalized video, email, and text message capability with the Dealer Video Suite app. Post promotional and testimonial videos directly to Facebook and your website. Message service customers with video for that personal touch. The dealership will have permissions to unlimited users to shoot walk-around, test drives, and how-to videos, and they can quickly pull a pre-shot vehicle directly from your inventory and insert a picture-in-picture customized message to respond to leads quickly while answering all of your customers' questions. You'll receive comprehensive training and support. And with my broadcast experience and automotive sales training background, I will personally guide and encourage your staff with content client-facing videos that will enhance your customers' experience. And if that's not enough, the Video Solutions Bundle also includes targeted Facebook video, a solution that pulls the video of your inventory and serves ads in a carousel form on Facebook, a fully automated platform that customer clicks go directly through to your VDP, performing up to twice as much than regular Facebook ads on click-through rate and bounce rate, focusing on in-market buyers who are searching for cars in the last 14 days, and additional marketing to lookalike audience with VIN-level reporting. These three platforms within the Video Solutions Bundle will help to create a customer experience that will set you apart from your competitors. Will a potential customer purchase a car with a missing or poorly shot photo? Sure, but what type of a message does that send about your brand? Upgrading your media to a 360 walk-around HD video will ensure that customers keep coming back to your site to view a vehicle that they're interested in, with a greater chance that they'll engage with and choose your dealership first over your competitor. Roadster is the #1 commerce platform for car buying and is trusted by the industry's best. So it makes sense that the leading automotive video inventory provider blend together seamlessly. Dealer Video Inventory is now offering free point-of-sale integration with Roadster's Express Store platform. Don't hesitate to contact me. I'm happy to arrange an in-person or online meeting.